Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we are continuing looking at the Manhattan Freesat SX set-top box. In our previous video we unboxed, connected and set up this nice and small, and does what it says satellite receiver. If you missed that video, check it out via the link above. With the Manhattan Freesat SX set-top box, you can set up a favorites list, and even delete channels from the Freesat channel list. Both useful if you want to make the program guide less cluttered with channel information you do not watch. To set a favorites list, press menu on the remote control. Then go to channels. Then go to edit favorites. You can then go down the list to add channels to your favorites list. You access the favorites list by pressing the yellow button on the TV guide, and selecting favorites. You can also use this method to access the edit and add to the favorites list. You also have the ability to remove channels from the TV guide. Press menu on the remote control. Go to channels. Go to delete channels. Input your PIN. And select the channel to delete. I could not find how to re-add the deleted channel, apart from performing a full factory reset, and going through the install setup wizard again. I hope that you found the information in this video helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any future videos, and help the channel grow. Until next time, happy viewing.